Americans are still tapping their retirement funds, and the Treasury Secretary says about 70 nations want to discuss the tariffs with the White House. Jane King is at the New York Stock Exchange with those stories and more in today's Morning Business Report.
Good morning. Some nations seem ready to redo trade deals with the U.S. Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent says 70 nations have reached out, including Japan and the European Union. However, China isn't one of them. President Trump has vowed an additional 50% tariff on Chinese goods that would start tomorrow unless they withdraw their retaliatory levies today. Well, more Americans than average are turning to their retirement accounts for emergency cash. Retirement plan provider Empower says hardship withdrawals from 401ks are running about 15 to 20% above historical norms. A withdrawal allows Americans to take money out of their retirement savings to cover an immediate and heavy expense like medical or housing debt. However, any withdrawal is taxed and penalized. Well, the Dow had a 2,500-point swing from its low to the high of the day yesterday. The Nasdaq actually managed a higher close. Apple alone, though, has lost $640 billion in value in 3 days. Well, the volatile stock market is bringing up talk of a recession. Negative feelings are widespread among CEOs who told CNBC in a flash survey that a recession is likely coming. Job losses could be on the way, and American brands that sell overseas are already beginning to feel pressure. Well, a Minecraft movie, a Warner Brothers Discovery film based on the namesake video game, opened at #1 in the U.S. over the weekend, marking the biggest debut this year. The picture delivered weekend sales of $163 million. The live-action comedy and fantasy picture stars Jack Black and Jason Momoa as misfits pulled into the cubic world-based game. From the New York Stock Exchange, I'm Jane King with your Morning Business Report.